I came to Chوہائی very first time in 2005 when I was a young engineer still, and I started then in 2018 here completely. So it was 13 years after my first visit. Our market is depending on airports and depending on a logistical chain that should be very short. So we are happy that we have about 4 airports around that are really big and that are international, and we can fly out our goods, and we need that. Yeah, so that's why the region Hong Kong, Macau, Chوہائی is very important to us, and also the Greater Bay Area. I think the Asian and the Chinese market are the future markets of the world. More and more people want to fly, more and more people want to see the world, and Chوہائی is part of it. So we as a management decided to extend our shop here, and also extend it with a new engine type. So also new engine types will come here, which is very important. Yeah? So we think it's the right way, because we have a good support from the government, we have a good support from the Chوہائی city. We have received subsidies for that, but we also then giving here employment. We give, I think, a lot of high-tech status, and we also give work away into the region. Yeah? So I think it's a win-win situation. I'm very happy that Chوہائی has the Chوہائی Air Show, so that we have a big representative show where we can announce important decisions, where we can have a lot of discussions with important people around the aviation market, around the governments, and around the customers. I would recommend everybody to come to Chوہائی. Absolutely, it's very innovative. A lot of new companies are coming here. Also, when I speak to other foreign companies, we are all happy to be here. We have good cooperation, also with the government here. So we feel here welcomed. I think that Chوہائی is a very international, very open, and very green city, very clean. So my family and I are appreciating to live in Chوہائی. I think it's a very interesting and nice city to live in.